We're in the Ootsa Lake Complex, on the south side of the Ootsa Lake in the Nadina Fire Zone, Northwest Fire Center. In the afternoon, September 5th, temperatures were elevated, high 20s, relative humidity in the teens, and began to get elevated winds in the afternoon, 20 to 30 kilometers coming out of the southwest. Fire did become very active on the east flank and started to push in a northeasterly direction. And in the end it did breach the existing control lines, challenged suppression efforts on that flank, did support with aviation resources, but it did make a significant run towards the Ootsa Lake. What we did see on that day was extreme fire behavior, rank 5, rank 6, quite a rapid progression. In that was quite a large column development, a significant area that was being consumed. Began some concerns around spotting potential over Ootsa Lake, so we did reposition crews to north side of the lake and started looking at other containment options further away from the main body of the fire. Moving into the following day of September 6th, a lot of active fire on the landscape from the previous day, and it did continue to push northeasterly. Significant column development, visually very active fire, rank 5, rank 6. Produced a significant amount of smoke, pushing off the fire, producing several large columns. We're coming up over the north shore of the lake. Again, a lot of concerns around spotting potential, especially with the communities in that area. Moving into September 7th, overall less fire behavior than previous days. Moderate growth on the active flanks on the east end of the fire. Still very active burning, visually rank 3, rank 4 fire. Again, large volume of smoke in the area, which did quell activity on the head of the fire, but it did impact aviation activities due to visibility concerns. Northern progression of the fire, we did set up structure protection on several cabins on the lakeshore. September 8th, this morning, we had significant winds coming out of the west, which was pushing fire early on this morning, which was quickly followed by moisture air and precip going into the afternoon. Crews are currently anchoring in off Ootsa Lake, developing a guard system along the east flank to the Ootsa FSR. Currently, line locators are locating a line for us up along the east flank. Continued work on our secondary line outside of the main fire, about 5 kilometers off, just to give us that outer box in the event of conditions changing.